So if the BJP is ironing out all problems and issues in Uttar Pradesh, there is also a crisis that's brewing for the Congress in poll-bound Punjab. And Captain Amrinder Singh has established that there's only one captain in Punjab. That's what at least a poster is screaming in Amritsar. Navjot Singh Sidhu is the voice of the farmers, and the people of Punjab screams back. Another poster says in Patiala. There is, as you can make out, an all-out poster war between the feuding factions in Punjab, as neither side are willing to cede an inch. Elections are less than a year away, and the fratricidal war in the Congress appears to only be intensifying.
The Congress in Punjab is divided like never before. The face-off between CM Amarinder Singh and Navjot Singh Sidhu has turned into an all-out poster war. Months ahead of assembly polls, the two leaders have started making forays into each other's bastions. Sidhu's supporters have erected his posters in Captain's constituency, Patiala. The posters read, "Punjab stands with Sidhu." This was in retaliation to posters erected by Amarinder's followers in Sidhu's constituency, Amritsar. The posters gave a loud and clear message. There can be only one captain.
कैप्टन ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹੋ ਹੀ ਹੈ ਜੀ ਕੈਪਟਨ ਇੱਕ ਹੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਦੇਖੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਚਾਹੇ ਉਹ ਵਾਟਰ ਟਰਮੀਨੇਸ਼ਨ ਐਕਟ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੋਵੇ ਚਾਹੇ ਉਹ ਕਿਸਾਨੀ ਮੁੱਦਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਡਰੱਗਸ ਦੇ ਮੁੱਦੇ ਹੋਣ ਚਾਹੇ ਉਹ ਕੋਵਿਡ ਨਾਲ ਜਿੱਤਣ ਦੀ ਲੜਾਈ ਹੋਵੇ ਅੱਜ ਜੇ ਕੋਈ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਤੇ ਖੜਿਆ ਉਹ ਸੀਐਮ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਖੜੇ ਨੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਅੱਛੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਲੀਡ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਆਉਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਟਾਈਮ 'ਚ ਵੀ ਸੀਐਮ ਸਾਹਿਬ 2022 'ਚ ਲੀਡ ਕਰਨਗੇ
Just last month, Captain had openly challenged Sidhu to contest against him in Patiala. The poster war is a clear evidence that Sidhu, who is considered close to the Gandhi clan, has taken the challenge head-on. The party itself downplays the fight as a mere difference of opinion.
Democratic institutions में, लोकतंत्र में, जहाँ पार्टी सिस्टम होती है, वहाँ पर डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियन हो सकते हैं और एक दूसरे की बात के लिए मनवाने के लिए हाईकमांड के पास आते रहते हैं इसमें कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है
The Congress is believed to have an edge over the Akali Dal in the coming elections. Party men now fear the factional feud can change the equations if an early solution is not found.
Sidhu has shifted his base to Patiala. Captain had openly challenged him to contest election against him. What remains to be seen is whether the formula being suggested by the three-member panel will be acceptable to both or not. With video journalist Dilip Sahu, this is Manjeet Sehgal in Chandigarh for India Today.